What is most challenging for a new freelancer? Running your own freelance business comes with a lot of perks. For starters, you don't have to deal with the commute. You can choose your own hours. Comfortable in your pajamas? Go ahead and spend all day wearing them. Have a dentist appointment in the middle of the afternoon? Not a problem. While these perks are definitely worthwhile, being your own boss also has its fair share of challenges. Staying motivated, for example, isn't easy when you don't have teammates or superior to report to. It can also get lonely when the closest you can to meeting clients is a phone call or online video chat. Here are 5 of the most common problems freelancers face. Number 1. Attracting clients. Finding clients is one of the biggest challenges freelancers need to manage. Oftentimes, finding clients is an ongoing challenge, not something a freelancer can do once and be done with. The fact that clients are basically what keeps a freelancer business alive makes this all more stressful. Number 2. Boredom. If you've ever been a salaried employee, you can probably relate to the experience of suddenly realizing that you've been sitting at your desk staring blankly at your computer screen for a while. Boredom can strike in a busy office, but the home office is by far one of the easiest places to get bored. This is why boredom is a major problem freelancers face. You might get bored with the project you're working on, or you might be bored with being a freelancer. Whatever the cause, there are ways to avoid boredom and alleviate it. 3. Distractions and family obligations. As a freelancer, you'll face distraction from every direction, and it will be tough to avoid them. But the fact that the matter is the Facebook, family, and every other distraction will make an ugly dent in your income. 4. Lack of stability. Most freelancers will agree that their work life rarely looks the same from one month to the next, or even from week to week, depending on the type of work you do. You might find yourself working on new projects or with new clients regularly. Sometimes you'll be busy and in over your head, and other times you'll have unwanted free time. Number 5. Time management and meeting deadlines. If meeting your deadlines isn't important to you, you will quickly lose clients. Don't slip into the habit of putting the work or leaving projects to the last minute. Create a schedule that will give you an ample time to work, so you can be less stressed and do a better job. Remember to take breaks, which are important for keeping yourself refreshed.